In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a blocked website in Google Chrome. We've all encountered that frustrating moment when you're trying to access a website only to find it's been blocked. Whether it's due to network restrictions, geo-blocking, or other barriers, there's an easy solution. Let's dive into how you can solve this problem by making a simple adjustment in your Chrome settings, specifically changing your DNS provider to Cloudflare. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to your settings. You can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. Once the drop-down menu appears, scroll down and select Settings. This section allows you to supervise and customize almost every aspect of your browsing experience. When you land on the Settings page, look over to the left side panel. Here, you'll see several options. Click on the one that reads Privacy and Security. This area consolidates features related to how your browser handles and protects your data, as well as how it interacts with different internet protocols. Within the Privacy and Security menu, you'll find a subsection labeled Security. Go ahead and click on that. It might not be the most intuitive path when thinking about unlocking a blocked website, but this is where the DNS settings are managed and adjusted. Once you're in the Security section, scroll down to the Advanced area. Here, you'll see an option that says Use Secure DNS. When you find it, you'll notice a drop-down menu beside Select DNS Provider. This menu lists the different DNS providers you can choose from, each offering varying speeds and levels of privacy. By default, this might be set to your Internet Service Provider's DNS. Change this drop-down to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare is recommended because it's known for its fast and private DNS service, often allowing you to bypass any blocks that are in place. By selecting Cloudflare, you're ensuring that your requests to load internet pages are routed through their secure network, potentially circumventing restrictions put in place by your previous default DNS. Once you have made this change, brave out and try accessing the website that was previously blocked. You should now be able to access it without any issues, experiencing fewer restrictions and a smoother browsing experience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've adjusted your DNS provider in Google Chrome to Cloudflare, effectively unlocking any blocked websites you may encounter. Don't forget that while this method is quite effective, not all restrictions can be bypassed in this manner. However, for many cases, it's a quickly resolved issue allowing you to browse freely again. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.